Welcome to my review of FreeFileConvert, an online file converter that claims to handle over 8,000 different file conversions across documents, images, audio, video, and archives. Its interface is clean and straightforward, designed to simplify the conversion process for all kinds of users. Right on the homepage, you're presented with a simple upload box where you can drag and drop files, or browse your device to select files for conversion. You could also import files directly from URLs or cloud storage services, like Google Drive and Dropbox, which is a nice convenience. Once you upload a file, you just have to choose the output format from an extensive list. It's impressive how many formats are supported, including popular ones like PDF, DOCX, MP3, MP4, PNG, JPG, and less common formats you might struggle to convert elsewhere. The conversion speed is decent, especially for smaller files. However, larger files can take noticeably longer, which can be frustrating if you're on a tight schedule. FreeFileConvert allows batch processing of up to 5 files at once, with a total size limit of 300 megabytes, which is reasonable, but could be limiting if you're working with multiple large files. The quality of the converted files is generally good, but there are occasional formatting issues, especially when dealing with complex documents or presentations. It's worth double-checking your converted files before finalizing anything important. There's also the concern of privacy and security. FreeFileConvert states that files are automatically deleted after 24 hours, which is reassuring, but it's always smart to avoid uploading sensitive documents to online converters. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. DocuClipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another downside is the lack of customer support. If you encounter issues, you're mostly on your own, relying on the site's basic FAQs or trying to reach them to a contact form. Still, for a free tool, FreeFileConvert does a pretty good job of providing a wide range of conversion options without requiring you to sign up or pay. To sum it up, FreeFileConvert is a useful tool if you need to quickly convert files between various formats, and you don't mind waiting a bit for larger files to process. It's not perfect, but if you're looking for a free solution that's easy to use, it's definitely worth trying out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and guides.